Hello and welcome. Do you feel meditation is only for old people? Do you feel meditation is not working for me? Do you feel meditation is a waste of time? Or do you feel meditation is complex? If you have these questions about meditation in your mind, I would invite you to watch this video completely till the end. Namaste, I am Sachin Hebar, creator of Self Healers Hub, on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live healthier, happier, and a more energetic life through the ancient Indian science of Ayurveda. And today, in this new tutorial for you, I have come with topic how to start meditation. How do you start? Many people feel meditation is complex. Many people feel meditation only for old people. Many people feel meditation not working at all. Yes, so I invite you to watch this video completely till the end. All right, so let's begin without any further ado. So if you're watching this live, type live in the comment box, or if you're watching a replay of this, type replay in the comment box. So I repeat, if you're watching this live, type live in the comment box. Or if you're watching a replay of this, type replay in the comment box. Okay, so let's begin. Type ready to learn in the comment box. Type ready to learn so that I start it. Yes. So many people, what happens? They want to start meditation, but they set unrealistic goals. They set unrealistic goals. This is the first problem. Okay, so I want to help you solve that problem. How do I do that? The point is coming to you right now. Start with 1 minute. Just start with 1 minute. Just close your eyes for 1 minute a day. Start it with 1 minute at least. Okay, I think everyone can achieve this 1 minute goal. Yeah, they can. You can do it. Okay, people try to put a 20-minute deadline or a 30-minute deadline. I want to meditate 30 minutes immediately. That will not happen so easily. So start with 1 minute, then graduate to 5 minutes, then 10, then 15. Have that goal. So 1 minute you do like 1 week, then you switch 2 weeks you do for 5 minutes, then switch 3 weeks you do for 15 minutes, and then it become habit, and then you can start 15 minutes. Then you can do it. Okay. So as I say again, start with 1 minute. Okay, I hope that is completely clear to you. Next point, what is the next point is do meditation at the same time and at same place. See, you have to understand that meditation needs training of the mind. So if you do that meditation at a particular time and a particular place, same day, same place, what will happen is your mind will get trained that when you sit in that place at that particular time, I have to keep my I have to shut myself down. So that's what your mind will start getting trained. When you do the meditation at the same time and at the same place, what will happen is your mind will get trained to be quiet at that time. Then you get the more benefit of meditation. If you have been meditating for already, try this. Okay, so sit at a particular time and at a particular place daily and see your benefits improving, because then your mind will be trained to keep quiet. Okay, it will be trained to keep quiet. Hi, welcome Manjunath, welcome to the live. Okay, so if you do meditation at same time and place, then you see benefits will start improving. So many people try to do meditation, they are very regular, but they'll do once at 7 o'clock, once at 8 o'clock. So I'm telling you, keep a particular time for meditation and do the meditation at that particular time and a particular place. Keep a nice place for yourself at home. Yes, and do the meditation there. So if that was clear, type CC, type crystal clear in the comment box. Type CC, crystal clear in the comment box if that concept was clear for you. Okay, so do meditation at the same time and place. Next, many people have this complaint saying, I get distracted by thoughts. I get frustrated. So I want to help you. So let's go ahead with this. Focus on one, not multiple things. The power of one. Type one in the comment box. Type one. The power of one is very powerful. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to focus on one thing. What can be the one thing? It can be breath. It can be music, or it can be your thoughts. I repeat, it can be a breath, it can be music, it can be your thoughts also. So if you're sitting there and then observing your thoughts, then only focus on the thought. Okay. If you're listening to music while doing meditation, then focus only on the music, the music's voice, then focus only there. Yes. If you're focusing on your breath, focus only on your breath. Do this. Don't focus on multiple things. I want to focus on breath also. I want to focus on thought also. On one. So type one in the comment box if you got that point. Focus on one thing, not multiple things. I repeat, focus on one thing, not multiple things. So this is the next point. Okay. So next, what can you do next to improve your meditation? Don't expect magic quickly. I want quick results. I want to really reduce my stress completely by doing meditation. It doesn't happen. You have collected your stress, you have collected the negative emotions from a long time in your life. You have not released them. So now you are expecting by starting meditation for 1 week, 2 weeks. So you are getting demotivated because the results are not coming. It won't come in 1 or 2 weeks. You have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Then you may start seeing some results. Have the realistic goals. Don't have unrealistic goals, unrealistic expectations from meditation that will cure everything. No, you have to practice it daily. You have to practice it diligently. You have to practice it with faith and belief. Then only it will help you. Just you do meditation for 1 week and say, I want to improve my stress. That's not at all possible. Okay, do meditation diligently, rigorously, and daily, and see the benefits. So don't expect quick magic. It will practice daily, and you will be given the gift of peace when you do that. Okay, so let me repeat for all of you what are the points to start meditating. Okay, first and foremost, start with 1 minute. Okay, don't have unrealistic goals. Start with 1 minute first, then you can graduate. Next, do meditation at same time and place. Okay, don't have different places, same time, same place, schedule in your day and do meditation so that your mind is trained to keep quiet at that time. Next, focus on only one thing. It can be breath, it can be thought, it can be music, anything. Focus on only one thing. Don't focus on multiple things. Then you mess up the meditation. Okay. And what is the next is, don't expect magic quickly. Practice daily, and you will see your results. Okay. And what is that magic number? If you want to think of it, what is the magic number? I would say start. Magic number is like 15-20 minutes. It's good. So as I said, start with 1 minute, then slowly and slowly graduate to 20 minutes. 20 minutes is very good. Okay, 20 minutes is a ideal time to do meditation. Okay, so finally I'll just show you all the meditation things. So start with 1 minute. Second, do meditation same time and place. What is the third one? Focus on one thing, not multiple things, and don't expect magic quickly. Practice daily. Okay, so these are the 4 points. Okay, 4 points. Start with 1 minute, do meditation at same time and place, focus on one, not multiple things. Finally, don't expect magic quickly, practice the meditation daily. So if you found these 4 points valuable and powerful, type powerful in the comment box. Type powerful in the comment box. Okay, I want you to start meditating. Don't have unrealistic goals. Okay, so if you want to learn how to meditate, what is the meditation to clear my mental blocks, okay, you can visit this link, bit.ly/gut detox, where I do a special meditation to help you clear those mental blocks. Okay, go to bit.ly/gut detox. Go to this link. Okay, go to this link. Let me just put it for all of you in the comments. Let me just put it for all of you in the comments. Thank you, Manjunath. Thank you. So go to this link, bit.ly/gut detox, where you can see the video there, what I will be learning, and you can jump in to the next batch. Okay, you can jump into the next batch, bit.ly/gut detox. And if you really found all these points helpful for you, do meditation in one place, focus on one thing, and don't expect magic quickly. Then I request you to share this video. Hit that love button. Hit that love button. Hit that love button. Share this video on your wall. Share it on my wall. Let others also get benefit out of this. Share it on your wall. Yeah. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on my Facebook, hit that love button and share this on your wall. Yes. So This is Sachin from Self Healer Sub signing off until we meet again. Take care. Bye bye. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Be at peace. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.